Hello, and thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be making spicy fried chicken, fried twice. Let's get started. I've already made my spice. Let's just see. And I used about 3 cloves. Let me show you. 3. I might have used 4, but about 3 or 4 cloves. There you go. And I used some garlic, some onion. I used some dried red chilies. I used about 4 or 5 of these. It depends on how spicy you want it. So next we're going to make our marinade. So into the bowl we're going to add in some flour. That might be about a cup and a half, maybe. Gonna add in some bouillon, this chicken. About so much. That's about a pound full. Add in some buttermilk. Sriracha or hot sauce, whichever one you have. That was a nice little squirt. I'm also going to add in some paprika. I have no measurements, as you can see, sort of like. I'm doing it the best that I can for you. That's about a half a pound. Some cumin. Set that aside. Some ground cumin. We'll do about the same. You know, this is pretty strong, so you be careful with this one. That was just a couple of shakes in my hand. Gonna add some pepper. Some salt. Not much because we added the bouillon. And I'm going to add in my spice mixture. And it's spicy too. Like I said, you add as many dried chilies as you like to make it as spicy as you like. I have like a low tolerance for lots of spice, so I'm adding a whole lot. And we're going to put in a couple eggs. Like, you see? We're going to mix this together. If it's not thin enough, just add some more. Buttermilk or water. Water will do fine. You want it loose because we're going to marinate our chicken in. And if you're not afraid to like stick your finger in and taste it a little bit, then do that and see if you might need something else. I added a couple of pinches of salt more. we're going to add our chicken into our mixture. And we're going to cover it and put it in the fridge for about an hour. But if you have longer, then let it be longer. The longer, the better. Yes, so we're going to do that. Make sure that it's all well covered. Okie doke. And into the fridge. Okay, my chicken has been marinating for about an hour and some in the fridge. And I have my fryer heating up at 350. And I'd rather use a fryer because the heat stays even. It doesn't go up, it doesn't go down. No matter you put cold meat or whatever, it stays the same. So it cooks better to me. We're going to let that heat up. Okay, we're going to add our chicken in. I'm letting some of the excess drip off. So when it starts to come to the top, you want to remove it because remember we're going to fry it again. And while that's happening, I'm going to make the flour because we're going to flour them again after we finish frying them all up. And then we're going to fry them again. So I'm just going to add some flour. Maybe a little bit more. This was about a 3.5 pound chicken. Pepper. Salt. Paprika. Maybe a little bit more. It's about a palm and a half. Some red pepper. I'm going to do about a half a palm of that. And some cornstarch. It's always so messy, the doggone cornstarch. We'll do a couple of those. You can just do a couple of tablespoons to avoid making this mess that I'm making. Mix it well. It's supposed to be over here. There you go. Well, I've, of course, put them back in the flour, and we're going to add them back to the grease. This is our second fry. See what we got going on here. Beautiful. Perfect color. Be careful with this hot grease. Beautiful and flavorful. Look at that one. And I add our breast. And let those do their thing. Looks delicious. And there you have it. Spicy fried chicken. Fried twice. Well, I had a ball. I hope you did too. And remember to pray. Then pray some more. Pray for her. Pray for him. Pray for you. Pray for them. Pray for us. Don't stop praying. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Tap that bell if you haven't. Share if you haven't. And if you have, thank you. Leave a comment. I would love to hear from you. Well, that's it and that's all. And until next time, eat well and be well. Later.